Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're planning a trip and want to streamline your travel essentials, today's product might be exactly what you're looking for. We're reviewing the BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bag, a TSA-approved travel accessory designed to simplify your journey. This 2-pack of clear bags is crafted for convenience, durability, and efficiency when passing through airport security. But how does it really perform? Let's dive in. The BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bags come in a set of 2, each measuring 8.2 by 2 by 6 inches, perfectly sized to comply with TSA's 311 liquids rule. These quart-sized bags ensure you can pack your liquids and other essentials without the stress of running into airport security issues. Made from transparent PVC material, the bags are sturdy and water-repellent, offering a clear view of your contents for easy access. The reinforced seams help prevent splits, which is a common issue with cheaper bags, while the zippers are smooth and designed for durability. The bags are lightweight, weighing less than a pound, making them perfect for slipping into your carry-on luggage. In my experience, these bags perform well in real-world conditions. I took them on a couple of short trips, and the clear design made it super easy to find exactly what I needed without rummaging through a crowded bag. The top opening is spacious, so it's quick to get to your items, whether it's toiletries, makeup, or travel-size bottles. I especially like the sturdiness of the zippers. They glide open and close with no snagging, which is a small but crucial detail. On the flip side, the material is durable, but the zipper isn't waterproof, so don't expect it to protect from spills if you're packing something particularly leaky. It's something to keep in mind when using this bag with liquid-heavy products. Pros: the clear design and large top opening make it incredibly easy to access and organize your items. The waterproof PVC material is durable and easy to clean, plus the reinforced seams add extra reliability, especially when dealing with frequent use. These bags are also TSA approved, which is a huge plus for anyone who travels frequently. Plus, the price is reasonable, given the build quality and the convenience they provide. Cons: while the overall construction is solid, the zipper being non-waterproof is a minor drawback, particularly if you're carrying items like shampoo or conditioner that could leak. Additionally, while the bags are great for toiletries and makeup, they might feel a bit small if you're someone who carries larger bottles or multiple products. You may find yourself having to choose between items or carry additional pouches. When comparing the BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bags to others on the market, it holds up quite well. Many similar bags don't offer the same level of durability, and some are made from thinner plastic that tends to tear over time. The sturdy zippers and reinforced seams really make a difference here, and I haven't seen many others in this price range that provide as much reliability. In terms of build quality, the PVC material feels robust, and the reinforced seams provide confidence that this bag will hold up for multiple trips. The zippers feel smooth and well constructed, which is always a good sign for long-term usability. Now, I haven't had to reach out to customer service yet, but BAGSMART has a reputation for quality, so I'd expect solid support if any issues arise. Their bags, in general, are known for their durability and functionality, and the brand has been well received by travelers for providing practical solutions like this one. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few out there, but they don't offer the same combination of durability and design for the price. While there are cheaper options, they often lack the same quality material and features. If you're someone who travels often or needs a reliable bag that's TSA approved, this one is definitely worth considering. To sum it up, the BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bag is a solid travel companion. Its main strengths lie in its size, ease of use, and clear design that makes packing and organizing simple. While the zipper could be better in terms of waterproofing, the overall quality and practicality make it a smart choice for most travelers. If you're looking for a dependable toiletry bag that complies with TSA rules, this is a solid option. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss another review or travel tip. And if you've used the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You can find the link to grab it in the description box. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. See you next time. And remember, travel smart, pack light and always pack the essentials.